In this video, I'll be making purple salad. I'm going to add a few extra ingredients to the base recipe that you see here. This recipe is from my Aunt Sue's kitchen. We're going to start with a block of soft cream cheese. This is going to be noisy. It'll go with the weed eater out there. 1 cup of sugar. And this is also going to help soften and mix the cream cheese. This is my old favorite measuring cup. I keep him in my sugar container. You'll have to overlook how dirty it is. This is why I can't have a food kitchen, because I don't go back and do the safe serve. Anyway. It's for me. It's for my friends. They don't care. I'm going to take this salad to work tomorrow, but I thought I would make some individual servings that I can put into the freezer and just take out one at a time. I'm using my cupcake pan and some cupcake liners, and you'll see here in a little bit I'm going to make some individual servings. We're going to have some mandarin oranges. I'm going to drain these. And crushed pineapple. We're going to drain that. And my favorite maraschino cherries. Who loves these? Comment below. I don't even know how many of these I'm going to use. I'm just going to put them on here. Probably not too many. But then again, I may use all of them. I don't know. I never know. I don't go by recipes too often. Just kind of get a basic idea of what I want to do and just start adding my own flavors to it. Ooh, look at that. We're going to see how easy this is. So we're going to mash this down. Okay. I don't know about this. You'll see. Me and knives don't always work. Well, it feels like it's working. So let's see. Yep, it made a mess. Oh, but it worked. Ooh, better not try that. I'll go ahead and try this side. April, if you're watching this, you probably need to do a demonstration for everybody. But anyway, I guess you could do olives or anything round. And as far as I know, I don't know. How many of y'all could just eat that right there? That would be good enough right there, wouldn't it? Oh, wait. Ooh, what a mess. And oranges. And I'm going to put them right here on top of my cherries. And I made a mess back here. I forgot that the lid was already off. So, I'm going to clean this up now. Dark, sweet cherries. Right here. Oops. Make sure my hand's over it. They're in heavy syrup. These are on a different aisle than where you would find your pie filling. Okay, I'm not really gonna squeeze this pineapple, but I'm gonna separate it so that it'll drain a little bit easier. And then I'm gonna set it on top of here because it's got my 2 whipped toppings out. I think the recipe calls for maybe a large, but I just picked these up. A lot of mess. So I'm gonna put that over in there. See what that juice does. Well, I mixed all this together and my video was not running, so y'all missed all that. I don't know where it even stopped off. I'll be able to tell where it stops. This is what it looks like after I mixed it. Looks pretty good. I think it's actually stiff enough. I'm so hesitant. I don't think I'm gonna add that juice. Wouldn't have been too runny, but with everything else that I added, I'm not gonna try that. Okay, we're gonna talk about these bananas. You could see that the bananas were pretty green, but once I took them out of, what do you call it, a shell, a hull, banana peel. That's what you call it. Once I took it out of the green banana peel and started cutting into it, it was a little firm, but it didn't taste raw. So I went ahead and added it to the salad tonight. I had originally planned letting it ripen overnight and then added to the mixture tomorrow, but I moved ahead and this is what we ended up with. Okay, we're folding in our bananas. Okay, now I'm real excited because this is sad that I don't have a very good setup. These are for home. Okay, so what we're gonna do is wash this. With that little individual cups, you can put them in the freezer and you can take them out one at a time, or if you're having a little party and you want to do little individual treats, this is a perfect way of doing that. You'll see in this video that I just keep adding to it. So it becomes a little bit more than an individual serving, but you know, hey, it tastes good. And I love the texture when this freezes back. Now, the bowl of the salad, I went ahead and just put in the refrigerator tonight. I'll carry it to work, but the little individual cups are going to go in my freezer. I'd like to add that you can use miniature marshmallows, you can use coconut, you can mix up the fruit, whatever your taste is, whatever your likes. The base ingredient's going to work for anything. It was a fun video. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you use this recipe. Thank you again for watching. Have a good day.